So for this video, I'm going to show you how I start a fire with one match anyway, or with one light. If you look down there, there's a ventilation hole in the bottom of the thing. I mean, it's not sealed up, but if you'll notice, I set it up like a chimney, right? I start out with a chunk of birch bark in the bottom. Birch bark is so crazy flammable. Drop it in. Okay. Next up is my wick. This is how I light the whole thing. I put another piece of birch bark in there with a long strand, sticking out the hole so that it's easy to light. Make sure my whole bottom is covered with birch bark, so I got a good start to the flame. Now I head over for a handful of twigs, feed it in from the top. Just make sure I don't block that hole. Take a couple medium pieces like that, put them in from the top, same thing, angled, leaning down so it doesn't block the hole. Another layer of birch bark in between the layers. There we go. And some more wood. Now, not that complicated, right? But watch how fast this starts. I'll come around to the side here. As you can see, there's my wick right there. Sticking out the hole. And there we go. My fire will start in a few seconds. Of course, while making a video, this one here takes forever to get lit up, but there we go, off and running.